Okie dokie, now this is Sunday the 16th of May. I'm trying to get a good shot of our birds out there. We got sunflower seeds in that swing, and right over there we've got a feeder with sunflower seeds, and there's only sunflower seeds in that one. And then that little sock like thing hanging down there, that is thistle seeds. And there's so many birds hanging around our yard right now. I just want to get a little video of it while they're still here, because I've been told by more than one person around here that these birds are just migrating. They're just passing through. And so they won't be here forever. So I thought maybe I'd just get a little video of them while they are here. And so we can enjoy them over and over again. And there's Buddy. He likes to hang out and watch the birds because he thinks it's dinner time when they show up. But every once in a blue moon he's able to catch a bird, but not very often. That's why we put them feeders up so high. And you can't climb out on the branches very well, and he can just, it's just those feeders are just beyond his ability to jump up there. He can't quite make it where they are, so they're pretty safe, but it doesn't stop him from trying. It's a nice spring day here. I'm very happy about that. I like the birds. They're fun to feed and fun to watch. And there's my Miracle Bob. She's waiting for the Dada to get out of the way so she can jump back up in her chair and look out. Okay. Oh, that's fun. Okay, we'll be back. And another time with another subject. The birds.